logos pop up on your screen, you want to pay special attention. Now, in this pack up, you're going to get 2 of our lidded soup and sandwich sets. Now, that means 2 16-ounce bowls and 2 beautiful plates that go along with this. Lids with the bowls as well. So take a look right over here and you'll be able to see exactly what you're getting. You're going to get 2 plates, 2 bowls, and 2 lids. So there are your 2 plates. Here are your 2 16-ounce bowls, and there are your 2 lids. Even that pattern is continued on the inside. Now, we're super excited about these, and I know you're going to be thrilled about what we got for you. I should also let you know that our Old World is a special markdown. Now, Old World is $29.98, and your other pattern choices will be $34.17. The reason Old World is less expensive, we have more of that to go around. So we have a few more of those available for you, so we wanted to clear our inventory because this is an opportunity for you to pick this up now because price and easy pay go away at the end of our show. Now remember, our Temp-tations team is here to lead us all the way through this great product. She's already over by the oven, so we're going to join Lisa Lasorte, who's over by our ovens, and she's going to go after, some French onion soup, our favorite. Hello, Lisa Lasorte. Come over here, my darling. Thrilled to have you here. And we're tickled to be able to welcome you in. Tara's away on a much-deserved vacation.
Much deserved.
So we are thrilled to have you back with us. Nice to see you.
Oh, nice to see you. Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year to you as well. This is extraordinary.
Yes,
one of our most popular silhouettes from Temp-tations.
Yes.
And just in the nick of time, it's wintertime outside.
It is wintertime, and it's the new year. So if you've been thinking about great ways for portion control, ways that you want to nest things in your cabinet, and you want things that are multi-use, let us show you all the reasons and all the colors and patterns why you need this.
Well, and the good news is, if you're an Old World fan, you save a little extra money tonight. We had a few more of those to go around, so simply we gave it a nicer markdown. So anything that is Old World is $29.98.
Wow.
Any other pattern, $34.17. Everything's on 4-pay, and it all goes away end of day today.
Wonderful.
While I hop on the other side of the table and you start walking us through colors, let's begin with this Old World that is $29.98.
All right, so this is our gray, and when we talk about Old World, 2 16-ounce crocks, 2 lids, and 2 trays right there, David, 2. So we're talking about dinnerware for 2 here. This is going to be the gray, that beautiful rope border that you see on Old World, and I love the tone on tone here with the gray.
The color that started it all in Old World, the green is here.
Gorgeous.
Also one of our best-selling colors in Old World is this blue, deeply saturated and gorgeous. Here's the black.
Love that black.
How about this gorgeous taupe?
Great neutral, right?
Very nice. Red. We're last call in the red. We have fewer than 100. Oh, wow. Oh my gracious. Hello, yellow.
Look at that yellow.
You all just celebrated your 20th anniversary on QVC.
We're on to 21 now.
21.
We're on to 21.
There you go. All right. So anything in this Old World color palette, $29.98.
That's correct.
Now we're moving into $34.17. But remember, all these prices and this easy pay go away end of day.
Okay, got it.
So let's go into our seasonal patterns. And this is Snowflake.
So
this just sold out.
Oh.
I beg your pardon.
Okay.
All right,
well,
this is gone. Teresa, I'll hand this off to you.
And here's the patriotic. Now, we brought our seasonal in a little early
this just sold out
year.
too. Okay. This just sold out. Patriotic's gone too.
Okay.
I'll take this tray with me.
So you better get the harvest because clearly that's the next one to go. But look how gorgeous
if you want
this
harvest,
is.
I have 200 left.
Oh, I wasn't kidding. Okay. Harvest. And look, I just have to give a shout out to that tray, David, because look how gorgeous that is.
And put that side by side.
Thank you. Because this is literally everything you're getting right there.
This is love harvest.
Oh.
Now this is egg hunt.
That's correct.
Just in time. I have 150 of these left.
And we don't have any more of the seasonals coming in.
No.
This is it, right?
And Lisa would know. You've been with Temp-tations how many years? 18 years, and you've been with QVC a little over 20. The brand has been on QVC a little over 20.
Exactly.
Now we go into floral lace.
Okay, got it.
Now these are also $34.17. This is the most popular floral lace color that has ever been created.
That's
this
correct.
is the blue.
Yeah.
That inky cobalt blue.
I love that.
This is the gray.
Yeah, and that's that farmhouse chic. So pretty.
And you're showing the inside of the bowl. The pattern is continued on the inside. There you see the green.
And look at the saturation of color on the outside, the engraving.
And the beaded border.
Absolutely stunning.
Continued on the lid. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
And then I've got it for you in taupe. This is the red.
So pretty.
This is black, I believe. Black.
Look at the black.
Oh,
that's like the toile, isn't it? It's so elegant and so upscale and
lift that
gorgeous.
lid if you will.
I surely will.
Look on the inside. All the way on the inside. There it is. Look at that pattern.
Pretty, right?
Isn't that pretty? And then we've got it in eggplant. Some of you don't see much of
I
it
was
anymore.
going to say, some of these colors you don't see
I have
all the
4
time.
dozen left in eggplant.
Okay.
And then it's gone.
That's
Hello,
it?
yellow.
Oh, and look at that happy sunshine yellow. Like, hey, 75 days till spring.
All right, I'm on.
Get your yellow. I know.
in.
The styrofoam is not included.
Yeah,
it's
that's extra.
It's
That's
extra.
Now, let's go into our Woodland. This is Woodland Gray. Mm-hmm. This is Woodland Taupe. Mm-hmm. Slate Blue.
That beautiful little periwinkle tone to
We're
it.
last call in Slate Blue.
Oh my gosh.
Buttercream just sold out.
Okay.
Take buttercream
Got it.
away.
And
Thank
then
you,
we
Miss
have our
Teresa.
doodles up here. Beautiful red rooster right there. Here's the red. And David, look how gorgeous. Can we just show the plate? Because the plate
Please.
is absolutely
Wanna grab him?
stunning. Yes. I was going to make you do that all by yourself. Aren't I kind?
Here we go.
Yes.
And then pop that bowl on there and we'll show the whole set.
Like this?
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
perfect.
Are we doing
Right
this
here.
together?
Let's hold it together. Look at that.
We're
See what we're
together.
doing?
No, I do.
All right, so I need to let you know that I have fewer than 150 red,
Okay.
fewer than 150 gray,
Wow.
and fewer than 150 of the black. Look at this
David.
beautiful rooster
Isn't that
motif
gorgeous?
all the way around. And roosters are a symbol of good luck, yes?
Yeah, they're great. Good luck. And so if you know somebody who just got a new house, this is a great wedding gift, shower gift, housewarming gift. Fabulous.
500 sets are gone.
Got it.
Old World is most popular.
Okay.
Anything else getting limited, Brian, so we can just point it out? Okay, we're good for now. How are we on harvest in seasonal? Seems like fewer than 100 left in harvest.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
Wow.
don't wait.
Don't wait.
And egg hunt, fewer than 100.
That's it. And
Wow.
think about egg hunt for Easter. Make little Easter baskets in them. Don't miss
You know
out on
what?
this.
Springtime will be here before we know it.
75 days.
I mean, God willing, and the creek don't rise.
I'm not counting down
Come on now.
everything.
Let's bring on the warm weather.
Exactly.
I mean, Christmas Eve when I flew to North Carolina, 8 degrees.
Oh, that's
I was on a
crazy.
6:30 a.m. flight.
Oh, ew.
I left the house at like
Stop
4
it. I
a.m. or
don't
something.
even
It was
know.
like
I
7,
don't-
8 degrees
I don't like
outside. I was
those
like,
days.
it was too cold to even function.
No,
I couldn't
you
even
can't.
believe it.
You can't.
All right, it wasn't much warmer in North Carolina. So this is amazing. We've got chicken here, and
Exactly.
is this soup?
It's soup. So first of all, soup and sandwich. If you're thinking,
Here we go.
you know,
Look right here.
what am I going to do with the soup and sandwich? Here's why we created it. Tara was ingenious. She created this category for, your grilled cheese and your soup. You don't have to pull out a bowl, figure out how you're going to put it on your dinner plate. This is for carrying to the table, to the island. This is perfect. But let's come on over here and give you some more inspiration. Look at this. Fried chicken and some amazing soup. So whether you want to do two of the
That's
same.
cream of chicken soup, I
I know, so yummy.
So good.
Two different, perfect. But this is every day to holiday. So let us inspire you other ways to use this. Birthday's coming up. You want to do a little birthday cake for one?
You bake that in
Look
the
You bake
bowl.
it right in here, you pop it out, you ice it, look how gorgeous. Put your little macaroons, your little truffles. Maybe you're going to do ice cream and cake. This is what we're talking about for 20 years, the fact that I can bake right in here, it'll pull right out.
Look at that.
Let stoneware be your friend, right? It's naturally nonstick, absolutely gorgeous right there. By the way,
And our favorite French onion soup.
oh, look at this, French onion soup with, look, our steak frites right on the side.
Steak frites.
I mean,
they
yeah.
sound more fancy when you say frites.
The frites, look at
Frites.
this. And when we talk about naturally nonstick, you saw me bring this out of the oven, but look at this, David.
Yum.
Pull it away.
a lot of cheese up in
yes,
there.
please. But it's not just for birthdays. It's not just for fried chicken. It's not just for soup. It's also great for appetizers because this is 2 covered bowls at 16 ounces each. So now your parties, pull these out. It's
This
so
price,
easy.
and it's easy pay, all go away end of day.
Okay, got it.
So let's go back to colors.
Let's do it.
Because things are going quickly, and
Okay.
I should let you know over 1,000 of these are gone. Now, if you want Old World, you're going to get a special markdown. Why is this less expensive?
Awesome,
We had more of these
seriously.
to go around. So we wanted to make these a little more attractive price-wise so that we could, quite honestly, make room in the warehouse for more
Thank you.
Temp-tations.
Oh, we got lots coming in.
So here is Old World Gray,
Yes.
Old World Green, Old World Blue, Old World Black.
Love.
This is the taupe. Back here is the red.
Oh, look at the
I have
sunshine.
36 left
That's,
in the red.
oh my gosh.
36. That would be 36, 3 dozen.
You know what? And now's the time of year to get this, right?
And hello, yellow.
I love this yellow, bright, sunny, happy.
I mean, come springtime, you're going to put salads in here.
Exactly. Think
I'm
of it-
making a beautiful honey-bell shrimp salad tonight.
oh, okay. I'll take.
This is
Did
smart
you ask me if I
swap
wanted
month.
to taste
Yeah,
it?
would you like to try? Because that would be fun. Now, if you want harvest,
Yeah.
I have 4 dozen left.
Okay,
if
got
you
it.
want egg hunt,
Look how pretty that is.
I have 5 dozen. No
Okay.
reorder on these seasonals, right?
no
yeah.
reorder. David, I love what you said. Cold mayonnaise-based salads. This is every day to holiday, all seasons. Cover it and keep it cold.
This is Floral Lace Blue,
Mm-hmm.
most popular. Floral Lace in the gray. Floral Lace in the taupe, green.
Look at that.
Here's black.
So beautiful.
I have 150 left in red.
Wow.
If you want eggplant just sold out.
Oh my gosh.
And then you're gonna show us?
Okay, look at the gorgeous yellow. Again, we brought this back for our 20th anniversary. Yeah, we're on to 21, but we still have some left. So grab the yellow while you can.
Then woodland gray,
Okay.
woodland taupe, woodland slate blue.
So pretty.
I have 300 left in the slate blue. How do you feel about doodle doo with a little rooster right there? Oh, the red's gone.
Okay.
Okay, red just sold out, so I'm gonna take red away, but we still have, I believe, gray.
Yeah, and the
And
black.
black.
And again, this is everything that you're getting. So you're getting 2 soup crocs, 16 ounces with the lid right there. By the way, on the doodle, look at that, all the way into the bottom. Just so, thank you, so, so pretty. And imagine David just carrying this, right? It's so easy.
You get 2 plates, 2 bowls, 2 lids.
Yes.
2 for 6 pieces.
6 pieces.
Of stoneware.
Hand-painted stoneware, oven safe to 500 degrees, microwave, refrigerator safe, dishwasher safe. What did I miss? Microwave safe, did I say that? Yeah, toaster oven safe.
If you didn't say microwave, we should say it twice. Microwave safe.
And microwave safe.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Hey, these are very popular. Nearly 2,000 are gone.
Wow.
We are very, very busy. Price and Easy Pay will all go away end of day today. What you should be aware of is that we have another Temp-tations item coming in the show. You can have some treats.
I love these.
Lucky.
I'm waiting for Honeybell salad.
All right, enjoy, enjoy. Now, I'm gonna go into the fridge because I need to grab some Honeybell juice that we were able to squeeze earlier or juice earlier with our Vinci juicer.